never spent time at the sports stadium before. Well, maybe for some pictures or videos or something. But watching a live match, I've never done it before, not in my life. But this time I decided to go and experience the finals of some, is it Division 2 or Division 3, something, the whole sports stadium. Truly, I'm not a sports person. If Liverpool or whatever, or Red Madrid, is it Red Madrid or whatever? Even if Ghana is playing, look, I'm sitting behind my laptop doing my own stuff. But this time, like, what is it about this whole football thing? I decided to go. Well, I went because of a girl, some fine girl being interviewed, and she was like, you know, fine girls, they have their way. So yeah, she convinced me to get the high tilde. So I got to the stadium to experience this match and this game. It was something. It was my first time experiencing any of these things, so bear with me. Number 2 is basically going to be a react video of all the videos, the shot I took, and then how the whole game went, and it was quite funny. Maybe it will be a little biased because obviously I wasn't just there to enjoy the game. I was with my camera shooting the video and then flying the drone around, and I was all over the place. So maybe my point of view might not matter so much, but look, it's my first time being there. So come on, let's hit this, let's do this, let's see how this whole thing went, and let's watch this game together. Okay, finals between I'll put the names up somewhere, but I'm just going to say finals between the blue guys and the white guys because that is all I'll see. So come on, let's hit this. Home Municipal Football Association Division 3 Middle League. Yeah, that is it. So it's about this whole thing. Yeah, sweet drone shot there. No, Charlie, you see me there, me say be drone me that, of course. So game started, and you know, when I got the initial, obviously if you get somewhere you need to settle in and then get to see how the terrain is. This was me basically settling in, and then the guys playing, and Charlie, it wasn't bad. And this being a final, well, I was hoping to get some really competitive games and something going. So let's see. Wait a minute, where's my sound? My sound is playing somewhere else. I want to hear it. I went to the big screen. No, I want it here. Right there, bam. Okay, but you see, throughout the whole game I was getting a feeling that the blue guys were just there for show off, because you know, things they should have done to win easily, they should have won this match easily. Spoiler alert anyway, but they were more like showing off. You realize that most of the things they were doing, they want to impress their people or impress, I don't know who they are impressing though, but they get the ball, they are kind of skillful with their legs, but after a few seconds, they lose it. So what this? Look at this one like this. Good tackle. I don't know whether I was waiting to enter the penalty square. Look at 3-4 guys around you alone. I mean, what can you do? See, did you hear that shout? Did you hear that shout? That is all they were there for. The blue guys, they were just there for like, it did throw away. See, the crowd, like that is why they were there, as far as I can tell. Trust me, like freaking annoying. There to impress, people. And at times I wonder if this is actually fun, because it was like kids running around a ball or girls running around football to play. I don't know. Sometimes it's weird. Like, I really don't get it. It's weird. You know that is it. But see, that is not all. There's so much that happened in this game. Trust me, there's so much happened. Some really serious twerk movements at the field, and then it was quite crazy and hilarious. So trust me, like this will be fun. I actually enjoyed this event. Like, I actually enjoyed it. Look at this. Nice ball, and then he lost it. Now, the audience were not really happy about that anyway, but come on. See? This is all the blue guys did. I was actually rooting for them. I was actually rooting for these blue guys. But Charlie. And the fact is that it wasn't really about the game for me. It was more about the experience. Okay? It was more about the experience for me, getting there, seeing people react, seeing people have fun. I mean, it's fun. So I was forced to have fun. I really didn't know how to enjoy football because I don't know. And look at the crowd right now. Pay attention to the crowd right now. It will come in handy going forward. And you see, there's these guys who are singing Jama. I think it's the Clutier guys, Charlie. Those guys non-stop. They were making noise all over the place. They were all over the place. They made the place kind of fun a little bit ish, you know. Hi, Clutier. So basically that was it, football match, and I really don't know how I was feeling about this because I don't know. And the crowd. I mean, the people. Those are the Clutier guys. And you were kind of having fun, I believe so. I hope so. Look at them. You see, maybe if I were to be invested in this team, so I knew them personally or I was connected to them in any way, I would be emotionally connected to them more. But for me, they were just a bunch of random guys running around chasing a ball. So I don't know. See, this was the best these guys did. This was the best game, the best chance that they got or something. And then it wasn't bad, but I was hoping to see more of this. But finally, like Charlie, it was just that moment. Look at him. They just want to play to impress. See, if I were to be their coach, I'll be so pissed right now. I'll be so mad because they had most of the ball possessions and not possessions like. And it went on and on until the halftime. Charlie, the coaches still don't look. No, that's referee, right? They don't look bad. Trust me, that's in the second half. That's where the action actually happened. Okay, that's where the action actually took place. Hold on, I need to get something to drink. Am I going Javiti to? I'm going Volta wine. Let's see. What do I have here? So again, this is about the pitch, or this is about the Cup Middle League 2024. I think those were some of the sponsors, right? Oh, those are some of the teams. Okay, I believe so. Those are some of the teams. And people were having fun. Like, take a look. People were having a lot of fun. I don't know that guy, but I believe people had fun. These Zibo people. Charlie, Clutier Zibo. So, but I don't know how long the halftime goes for, but within a short while they were back, and I don't know. The short while they were back, and then you see the crowd keeps growing. Truly, I thought by now everything would have been over, but after second half, the crowds kept growing, and that's quite an interesting twist, though. The second half started in full swing, and truthfully, I was expecting that something would change. The coaches would have spoken to their people, and especially the blue guys, because I was on their side, like I was on their side. I don't know them, but I just felt connected to them in a way. But obviously, no, they were just still doing their own things, playing to impress and missing the chances. Like Charlie. And sure, there were a few instances where the people were not happy with the officiating of the referee, and obviously there were shouts and lots of I'm not sure if I'm doing a good job because it's my first time watching a football match, so I'm watching it with you guys. Tell me what I'm missing. Tell me what I've been missing. Okay, tell me what I've been missing. Then you see, as the match progressed, I kept getting signals from different angles. You know, a little ball from somewhere, a little ball from somewhere, and at this point I was just sitting down and just kind of enjoying the match through my lenses. I was enjoying the match through my lenses, and it's funny. I saw camera guys on tripods and all that. That is why I love my camera. I love my Lumix, man. I love my Lumix. Go on, yeah, guy. And they missed another opportunity again. The blue guys, like these guys, they need a good whooping. They need a whooping. And this guy, I feel bad for him. He's been here doing this warm-up thing for God knows how long. I don't know whether he entered in the. I don't think he joined. I don't know. Till that did he join? Oh, this is exhausting just looking at him. Sorry, back to the game. I was so distracted. Look, there was so much happening at the stadium, man. I was having much fun outside the game than in the games itself. Bobo is one of them. This. And see that girl? See this girl beside the guy there dancing? I try hard not to talk about her, but I have to talk about her. I'm there to watch football, but I'm there watching this girl shaking her stuff. And Charlie, she was getting everybody confused. And look, I was moving back and forth. Whether I'm watching the game or I'm watching the girl or whatnot, and they almost scored the goal, and I didn't get to capture it because I was. I think it's the whole experience. It's not just the game. Trust me, I had so much fun. About 80% of it was outside the field. I tried. It's my first time I tried. There she comes again. Charlie, she was just causing chaos. And she was facing those guys that I'm like, come on, tend to the players. We are also here. Let's fill some of the shake. But honestly, she took it away. And then I saw this lady referee, lineswoman or linesman or something. I don't know. Back to the game, Charlie. I was so distracted. I couldn't pay attention because I guess the game was boring, but I just couldn't pay attention. Staying there watching. Is it 11 or okay? 11, 22. Watching 22 guys running after a ball. It was boring. It was boring. So I was distracted. And the girl comes again. See, there's plenty distraction. Here, I got so confused. I'm like, okay, if I cannot see what she's actually shaking, maybe the expression on the guys' faces, the guys behind, maybe their faces will tell me what she's actually doing. Wow, look. She changed gears. So now look, what this guy? He's just full of smiles. Look at the second one. He made confused, bro. The funny one is the guy in the pink. He's trying to be big boy. Like I know they watch. If you trace his highlight, see where they look. Look. Keep watching. See where they look. They see things. You are there to watch soccer. You are seeing. Sorry, back to the game. So the second half was good. It was good. A lot of drama, a lot of we almost scored, but the goals were not actually coming. And see, the crowd keeps increasing, the crowd keeps growing. And this was about halfway through second half-ish. Okay, it was a lot of action, but still the crowd kept coming. Like I'm like, we have this number of people, not just in Ho, and I understand it's not even a major league or like the regional one. This is more like, is it municipal or I don't even know. So much action. Like the game should be fun or should be interesting, but I don't even get it. And the white guys almost scored at a point. Is it this? Yeah, I think this one. And this guy. That guy will receive a whooping. That guy will definitely receive a whooping when he gets to the team because, damn, that was the closest the white guys got. This will be one of the longest solo videos I've done I've not done even a solo video this long before, but I want to watch this with you guys because I don't know how to feel about the whole thing. And what I observed is that getting to the tail end of it, the blue guys were in a hurry. They were trying to get the ball played quickly and score the goal quickly, but the white guys were actually relaxed. They listened and they slowed down, hoping to get a penalty. Like they wanted to go to penalty. They actually switch goalkeepers because obviously it's penalty, so you need the best goalkeeper you can get. Then it was time up for like second half was also over. I was thinking to go for how do you call it? Is it extra time or something? I don't know. Something, but obviously they didn't. They went straight to penalties. And see, the penalties, that is where all the drama actually happened. I mean, I love the outfit of the coach. I said coach, referee, not coach. Referee. Oh, she's cute, isn't she? Yeah, I think these are the captains. They were actually deciding whether left or right or up and down. So they went there and they inspected. They decided, okay, this would be the best place to see. And you see, after this one, they actually went for the penalties. And this video is getting uncomfortably too long for me because it's difficult to hold people's attention these days. And even 10 seconds something. The penalty was full of action and packed, but then I'll be putting down in a separate video because the penalties was a whole lot of drama, a different level of drama altogether. And then I'll link that video. It will be at the, it will be the next video in line for you to watch or linked up here as well. So again, it's Clara Franklin here, WV for Visit Voter. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? This is so much fun. It's about voter region, it's about tourism, and then all I need to do in Ghana is WV for Visit Voter, Tourism Ghana here, and I'll see you in the next one.